You're doing great, Monique. Don't worry. Everything is fine. Okay, and Saturday, I'm going to have not Q&A. Saturday is a wonderful beginning. We're going to start having the sharing circles. So Monique, you can, are you in the membership?
No, not yet,
you're
because
not in the membership. Oh, okay.
no, this is just too much.
Too much. Yes, I know it's too much. But the idea is that we can share our challenges and our realizations with the group of other people, and I'm sure there will be somebody who will benefit from it once we share. So that will be the goal and the purpose.
There is a lot of things that have been changed in my life. One at first, at the beginning, I was a night bird, and now since I do Neurographica, I can get up in the morning, which I lost 7 pounds of the 20 of the 20 I have gotten during the pandemic. I sing alone in front of the group with a microphone. Yeah, with the microphone. So I can't. There is a lot like this.
Okay, so Monique, I'm going to invite you as a guest speaker to our Saturday group, so you can share your experiences.
But I'm not sure. We are only 3 today. If I can speak French.
You're doing very good.
Oh, Monique, yeah. We understand
language
you totally.
Is not a problem. You're doing great in expressing yourself.
We have so many people with so many different languages, and everyone struggles in the beginning, you know, and we're all patient. We're learning too. So yeah, you're cool, Monique. You're ready.
Yes.
Your language is ready. It's right here. The rest of it's between your ears.
Yeah, the information is priceless, so it will get
there. Natalie, is it the same time as today?
Yes, it's going to be the same time as today.
Okay.
Saturday?
Saturday, yes.
Saturday.
Okay.
And then tomorrow is Anna.
Tomorrow is Friday. Anna, yes.
Okay. Okay. All right.
There is too much.
No, 5 o'clock a.m.
No, she's saying it's too much. Too much. It's not too much, Monique.
No, it's not too much.
Yeah, with the basic user course, the neurocolor, the neurosketching to do again, there is a lot in neurocomposition.
Wait for the neurosketching after you do the neurocomposition.
Yes.
Do the neurocomposition and then do the, but you will stay for neurocolor for some time. Don't rush with the neurocolor. Stay with it.
Oh, I have a lot to do
in
neurocolor. I have the 5 elements to explore for the first lesson.
Yes, yes. Stay with the neurocolor, and you can take more than 1 month. Just very carefully work it. So in July, we are not going to have Q&As, and then we start in August again, the Q&As.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Everybody.
Yes. Thank you, Natalie.
Have a wonderful evening, day, Melba.
And have a wonderful trip.
There, Natalie? What time zone or what time is it there?
It's 7 in the evening.
Okay. Cool.
You are in the morning, right? You're waking up.
Yes.
For me is midday. Midday.
Yeah.
12.
Yes.
You got the easy zone. I get sleepy. I wake up and you cruise.
Yeah. Okay.
See you Saturday.
See you Saturday. Bye.
Bye.